going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine not opening. So let's start. For the first step, make sure you have Steam not running in your background. So go to this Windows taskbar upside arrow. After that, go to the Steam icon, right click and select Exit Steam. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar. After that, make sure you open the Steam launcher. Now once it opens, go to Library. After that, select Collections. Now search for Wallpaper Engine. I will just use this game to show you. So once you select Wallpaper Engine, go to this gear icon in the right. After that, go to Properties. Now this tab will open. Just go to the launch options and type in -dx11. For the next method, go to Installed Files and then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. That way, any corrupted file that is responsible for Wallpaper Engine not opening will be recovered and fixed. You just need to wait for the process to finish. For the next method, go to the Steam icon top left corner. After that, go to Settings. Now this tab will open. So go to Downloads in the left menu and select Clear Cache. After that, click on Confirm. Next, go to Storage. Make sure you have the right drive where you installed Wallpaper Engine. After that, go to these three dots and select Repair Library. And that's it. If you found it helpful, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.